Welcome to Crypto Basics. In this video, we're going to explore what cryptocurrency is, how it differs from traditional money, and why it exists. If you're completely new to the world of digital currencies, don't worry. We'll break everything down into simple, easy-to-understand concepts. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of cryptocurrency and how it's changing the way we think about money. Let's get started. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike the money in your wallet or bank account, cryptocurrency exists only in digital form. It operates on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Think of it as money for the internet age. The word crypto comes from cryptography, which is a method of protecting information using advanced mathematical codes. This makes cryptocurrency extremely secure and nearly impossible to counterfeit. The three key elements are: it's digital, it's secured by cryptography, and it operates on decentralized networks. Let's compare digital cryptocurrency to traditional physical money. Traditional money includes the cash and coins you can hold in your hand. You can give someone a dollar bill, put coins in your pocket, or store cash in a safe. It's tangible and physical. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is purely digital. It exists only as computer code. You can't touch it or hold it. There are no physical coins or bills. All cryptocurrency transactions happen electronically through computers and the internet. This fundamental difference changes how we store, transfer, and think about money. Cryptocurrency has four key characteristics that make it unique. First, cryptography. Cryptocurrency is secured by advanced mathematical encryption, making it incredibly difficult to hack or counterfeit. Second, decentralization. There's no central authority or government controlling cryptocurrency. It operates on networks maintained by users around the world. Third, blockchain. All transactions are recorded on a transparent public ledger called a blockchain, which anyone can view but no one can alter. And fourth, peer-to-peer transfers. You can send cryptocurrency directly to another person without needing a bank or payment processor as a middleman. These characteristics work together to create a new kind of money. Now let's look at how cryptocurrency compares to traditional money in three important ways. Control. Traditional money is controlled by central banks and governments who can print more money or change interest rates. Cryptocurrency is decentralized with no single entity in control. Transparency. Traditional financial systems have limited transparency. You can't see other people's transactions or how much money is in circulation. Cryptocurrency uses a public ledger where all transactions are visible to everyone. Accessibility. To use traditional money, you typically need a bank account, which requires identification and approval. Cryptocurrency only requires an internet connection, making it accessible to anyone anywhere in the world. You might be wondering, why does cryptocurrency exist? What problem is it trying to solve? There are three main reasons. First, financial freedom. Cryptocurrency gives people control over their own money without relying on banks or financial institutions. You become your own bank. Second, global access. Cryptocurrency enables anyone with an internet connection to participate in the global economy, even if they don't have access to traditional banking services. This is especially important for people in developing countries. And third, lower costs. By removing intermediaries like banks and payment processors from transactions, cryptocurrency can significantly reduce fees, especially for international transfers. These goals reflect a desire for a more open and accessible financial system. Let's understand how cryptocurrency actually works using a simple three-step process. Step 1. Transaction. Someone initiates a cryptocurrency transfer, sending it from their digital wallet to another person's wallet. This transaction is broadcast to the network. Step 2. Verification. The network of computers, called nodes, works together to confirm that the transaction is valid. They check that the sender has enough cryptocurrency and that everything is legitimate. Step 3. Recorded. Once verified, the transaction is permanently added to the blockchain, which is a public record of all transactions. This process happens without any central authority, and once recorded, the transaction cannot be changed or deleted. This is the basic foundation of how cryptocurrency operates. Let's recap the key points we've covered. Cryptocurrency is digital money that's secured by cryptography, making it safe and difficult to counterfeit. It operates on decentralized networks, meaning no government or bank controls it. The technology behind cryptocurrency is called blockchain, which provides transparent and permanent record-keeping of all transactions. And finally, cryptocurrency exists to provide financial freedom and global access, giving people control over their money and opening up the financial system to anyone with internet access. Understanding these basics gives you a solid foundation for exploring the world of cryptocurrency further. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video in our Crypto Basics series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.